How to cook 10 famous dishes from around the world, step-by-step recipes. Welcome to our culinary journey around the globe. Today, we will embark on an exquisite adventure, exploring the vibrant flavors and rich traditions of 10 famous dishes from various cultures. Cooking is not just a necessity, it is an art that bridges gaps between communities, fostering understanding and appreciation for diverse heritages. So, whether you are a seasoned chef or a curious beginner, prepare to sharpen your knives and open your minds. Let us dive into these delectable recipes step by step. Our first dish is the classic Italian risotto, a creamy rice dish that hails from northern Italy. 1 cup arborio rice, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup white wine, optional, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. To begin, heat the broth in a separate pot and keep it warm on low heat. In a large skillet, add the olive oil and sauté the onion until translucent. Next, add the garlic and arborio rice, stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until the rice is slightly toasted. Now, pour in the white wine, allowing it to evaporate while stirring continuously. Gradually add the warm broth, 1 ladle at a time, stirring frequently until each ladle is absorbed. This process should take about 18 to 20 minutes. Once the rice is al dente, stir in the Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, and your risotto is ready to serve. Next, we journey to Mexico to prepare tacos al pastor, a street food favorite that embodies the essence of Mexican cuisine. 1 pound pork shoulder, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon oregano, corn tortillas, chopped onions, cilantro, and lime wedges for serving. Start by marinating the pork with pineapple juice, adobo sauce, cumin, and oregano for at least an hour. Then, grill the marinated pork until cooked through and slightly caramelized. Warm the corn tortillas on a skillet and layer the grilled pork on top. Garnish with chopped onions, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Your tacos al pastor are now ready to enjoy. Cut to third dish, Indian butter chicken. Our third dish brings us to India, where we'll create the rich and flavorful butter chicken, known for its creamy tomato sauce. 1 pound chicken, cubed, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 15 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons butter, salt and cilantro for garnish. Marinate the chicken in yogurt and garam masala for a few hours. In a pan, melt the butter and sauté the onions and garlic until golden. Add the marinated chicken, cooking until browned. Stir in the crushed tomatoes and simmer for 15 minutes. Finally, add the heavy cream, adjusting the salt to your taste. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve with naan or rice. Now, let's make our way to Japan, where we will learn the delicate art of crafting sushi rolls. 2 cups sushi rice, 2½ cups water, 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, nori sheets, fillings, cucumber, avocado, raw fish, etc. Soy sauce for serving. Begin by rinsing the sushi rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook the rice with the water in a rice cooker or pot. Once cooked, mix rice vinegar and sugar, then fold it into the rice. Place a nori sheet on a bamboo mat, spread a thin layer of rice, and add your desired fillings. Roll tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. Serve with soy sauce and enjoy the exquisite flavors of Japan. Our fifth dish is coq au vin, a classic French dish that translates to rooster in wine. However, chicken is often used in its place. One whole chicken, cut into pieces, 1 bottle of red wine, 2 cups chicken broth, 4 ounces bacon, diced, 2 carrots, sliced, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, fresh thyme and bay leaves. Start by marinating the chicken in red wine overnight. In a large pot, cook the bacon until crisp, then add the chicken pieces to brown. Remove the chicken and sauté the carrots, onion, and garlic in the same pot. Return the chicken to the pot and add the marinated wine, chicken broth, thyme, and bay leaves. Simmer for about 1.5 hours until the chicken is tender. Serve with crusty bread to soak up the rich sauce. Next, we venture to Thailand to prepare a vibrant green curry. 1 pound chicken or tofu, cubed, 2 tablespoons green curry paste, 1 can, 13.5 ounces, coconut milk, 1 cup mixed vegetables, bell peppers, eggplant, etc., fresh basil and lime for garnish. In a pot, heat a tablespoon of oil and add the green curry paste, stirring until fragrant. Add the chicken or tofu, coating it with the paste. Pour in the coconut milk, and bring to a gentle simmer. Add the mixed vegetables and cook until tender. Garnish with fresh basil and a squeeze of lime juice before serving with jasmine rice. Our seventh dish, paella, originates from the beautiful region of Valencia in Spain and is a colorful rice dish that celebrates local ingredients. 2 cups arborio rice, 4 cups chicken or seafood broth, 1 pound shrimp, mussels, and chicken, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 bell pepper, diced, 1 teaspoon saffron threads. In a large paella pan or skillet, heat olive oil and sauté the onion, garlic, and bell pepper until soft. Add the chicken and cook until browned. Stir in the rice, saffron, and broth, bringing it to a boil. Reduce to a simmer and add the seafood. Cook without stirring until the rice absorbs the broth and develops a crust at the bottom. Serve directly from the pan, garnished with lemon wedges. Next, we head to Greece for moussaka, a hearty baked dish featuring layers of eggplant and meat. 2 eggplants sliced, 1 pound ground lamb or beef, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 cups bechamel sauce, 1 can, 15 ounces, crushed tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Begin by salting the eggplant slices to draw out moisture and rinsing them after 30 minutes. Sauté the onion and garlic in a pan. Add the ground meat and cook until browned. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, salt, and pepper. In a baking dish, layer the eggplant, meat mixture, and bechamel sauce. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 45 minutes until golden. Allow to cool slightly before serving. Now we travel to Argentina to make empanadas, savory pastries that are perfect for any occasion. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup butter, softened, 1/4 cup water, 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion, chopped, 1 egg, beaten in a bowl. Mix the flour and butter until crumbly. Gradually add water to form a dough. In a skillet, cook the onion and ground beef until browned, seasoning to taste. Roll out the dough, cut into circles, and place a spoonful of the meat mixture in the center. Fold and crimp the edges to seal. Brush with beaten egg and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 25 minutes until golden. Finally, we conclude our global culinary tour in Morocco with a fragrant tagine, a slow-cooked stew named after the earthenware pot it's cooked in. 1 pound chicken or lamb, cut into pieces. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup chickpeas. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes. Spices, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and saffron. In a tagine or Dutch oven, heat olive oil and sauté the onions and garlic until fragrant. Add the meat, browning it on all sides. Stir in the spices, tomatoes, and chickpeas, adding water as needed. Cover and simmer for about 1.5 hours until tender. Serve over couscous, garnished with fresh herbs. And there you have it, 10 famous dishes from around the world, each with its unique history and flavor profile. Cooking is a delightful way to explore different cultures and create connections through shared meals. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey and are inspired to try these recipes at home. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite dish or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy cooking!